What's up, everyone? In today's video, we're going to explore the Podlaskie Voivodeship, which is the northeasternmost part of Poland. Right now we're in Bialystok. It's the capital of the Podlaskie Voivodeship, as well as the 10th largest city in the country. We're going to check out some churches, a university, as well as a park. This is the town square of Bialystok. It's extremely windy and cold, but luckily, we're going to go inside soon enough. First stop is this beautiful church, Cathedral of the Blessed Virgin Mary. Now that the meeting is over, I can show you the church better. Just check out the brick layout and also these beautiful windows. It's very quiet as it's a holy place, so just enjoy the art. They still have the Christmas trees out. My favorite part of this church has to be the windows. Not only are they extremely detailed, but the color is just magnificent. I especially like the blue. This looks like two heads connected with bubblegum. Over here we have the Branniki Palace. It's a museum as well as a medical university. Quite a beautiful building. So let's go inside and check it out. We were in the school, and check out this staircase. Quite beautiful. They have some little information about the school. Let's check out what's upstairs. And let's check out these really nice rooms. Beautiful green color. Freezing cold outside. Happy to be inside where it's warm. And check out this beautiful red room. Nothing special, but still quite nice. Next door to the palace is a park, Park Planty, and apparently it's really popular. But as you can see from here, seems like not in the winter. That's why it's nearly a ghost town here. I mean, just look at the place, completely covered in snow. Nice building. And the last stop in Bialystok, a really interesting church. This red building looks really cool. Wow, it's freezing today. Can't wait to go inside the church where it's going to be warm. Keep warm at the church and enjoy the atmosphere. The church is really large inside. It's a white interior. It looks relatively cool, even though it's missing a lot of the artwork and the Tiffany windows. But the ceiling has one interesting piece. This represents the seraphim, the face of the lion, the ox, and an eagle. And these are on the sides of the building. They have some statues. Nice church. Now let's go to the town of Suprasl. This is the main attraction, the Orthodox monastery. Founded in 1498, you need to donate at the gift shop, and a guide will take you into two of the churches here. This is the complex. They have some housing. This is the main church, the oldest one. And this is the newest church. Just check out the art here. It's absolutely stunning. I don't recall seeing a church with this much art pieces everywhere. Literally every corner of this church has something to see. And it shows a couple of nice stories as well. They have some paintings of the saints. They have some angels. It shows the seraphims. Has some unique pieces as well. Apparently some of the art is only found in this church, nowhere else. Feel free to pause the video so you can get a better look at some of these paintings because it's really, really pretty. I spent almost an hour here just observing every piece. There's a bunch of demons as well, and it shows some of the angels fighting them. It's like the demons are coming out from the pits of hell. There's dragons, but also it shows the angels, the Lamb of God, the seraphims. It's just so detailed and so beautiful. And this is the new church. It's small, but it's also worth a visit. There's also quite a few art pieces here, but much less than the first church, which is absolutely stunning. Last stop in Suprasl, the Holy Trinity Catholic Church. It is small, but it has nice windows, and it's warm, so it's nice to chill here and escape from the cold. There is a cemetery on both sides of the road, and even though it's very cold and windy today, we still have one more stop. Tykocin, here we come. We are here in the small town of Tykocin. The sun is touching this church, so it has a really nice yellow color. There's two attractions in Tykocin we're going to check out, and this is the first one. The inside may seem normal, but there's a mysterious door leading underground. What's more, a triangle with an eye in the middle. Wonder what that means. Last stop for today, Tykocin Synagogue. You can scan a QR code for an English YouTube audio guide. The synagogue was built in 1642, and it's one of the oldest and largest synagogues in all of Poland. This town used to have a high Jewish population until World War II. The synagogue was destroyed, but it was reconstructed, and it is now a museum. In the next room, they have some portraits and photos. Let's go check it out. And in this section is also very interesting. There's a display from the 5 books of the Torah: Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, and Deuteronomy. There's a painting describing each event in each book, like the 7-day creation in Genesis. For Exodus, shows the 10 Commandments. For Leviticus, it shows the instructions, such as on the Sabbath. Numbers shows the 40 years they spent in the desert. They also have some memorabilia, such as the scrolls. And for Deuteronomy, the journey to the promised land. And finally, some more memorabilia, such as the horn of the ram. Definitely worth a stop if you're in Tykocin. And that concludes today's episode. Hope you all enjoyed the video. I'm heading back now. Hope you all have a good one. Peace.